Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. The temperature right now 3 degrees below zero, and it looks like a frigid night on the way as we head towards your Christmas Eve. Here's another look at those snowfall totals. Around an inch, Grand Forks and Fargo. Now, to the south of Fargo and to the east of both Grand Forks and Fargo is where we saw loftier snow totals. Numerous reports so far trickling in of around 3 inches. That includes you in the Breckenridge area and out towards Crookston, an inch and a half. Bagley with about 4 inches. Likely some more reports will be coming in as we go through. Your Christmas Eve forecast is looking cold, especially in the beginning part of the day. That is why we got the wind chill advisory now for most of the area. Our north winds are continuing, blizzard conditions continuing out toward the Twin Cities. Winter storm warning up in the Iron Range, as that's where most of the snow is at this hour. A lot of clearing going on behind the system, and the wind is wrapping up. But any places that got a few inches of snow with all of this wind that's out there, we are certainly still having travel difficulties out there. The Twin Cities seeing some snow wrapping out of their area. Numerous reports of 4 to 8 inches in and around the Twin Cities. And this same storm system causing severe weather in the Gulf Coast states with active tornado and thunderstorm warnings in the Mississippi Delta. Here is a look at your air temperatures sliding quickly below zero and in fact approaching 10 below for many. Foston, Thief River Falls, and look at Langdon, Walhalla, and Cando. This whole area around 11 below. That's the actual air temperature. Factor in those ripping winds from the north and northwest, still gusting to about 40 miles per hour in our area, and it makes those wind chills almost unbearable out there. Visibility is most reduced in eastern portions of Minnesota, where travel is still reported to be very tricky. 32 below is what it feels like on exposed skin for you in Thief River Falls and numerous areas around 30 below zero. As we head into the overnight hours, temperatures are going to continue to fall at Hector right now. 3 below zero, our coldest one of the season so far. 30-mile-per-hour gusts at the top of the hour. Hour-by-hour forecast shows the air temperatures falling to between 10 and 20 below zero tonight. Wind chills between 30 and 50 in spots. 50 below zero wind chills, so dangerous travel. Make sure you have that survival kit in the back of the car. We start our day out around 10 below zero with sunshine and the wind still around. And in fact, first thing in the morning through the midday hour, we're expecting those winds to be around 20 to 30 miles per hour from the valley and points east. Your wind out west will be pretty quiet. We do warm up, but we're talking single digits for most of the region, above and below zero. Late in the day, a warm front starts pushing in. Look at the temperatures on the other side of the warm front. They're teens. It's going to kick off some clouds and a few flakes of snow for the Jolly Elf tomorrow night. Planning forecast 10 below, feeling more like 33 below zero. First thing in the morning in the Fargo-Moorhead area, ramping up into the single digits above zero under sunny skies. The wind finally relents, finally becomes less gusty tomorrow afternoon. Nearly steady temperatures with those increasing clouds late. A snapshot at 3 o'clock in the afternoon showing mostly single-digit temperatures below zero in Minnesota and just above in North Dakota. As we take a look at David's photo here, just a beautiful scene up north. Thanks for sharing with us. Here's a look at the forecast. We talked about Christmas Eve. Slight chance of a flurry or two as we go into the nighttime hours. A little warmer on your Christmas Day, near 20 for many of us here in eastern North Dakota. A little colder still out to the east where there's a little more snow on the ground. Quiet weather carries us toward the new year. We'll keep our eyes on any more systems right here.
Thank you, Hutch.
A Wisconsin